welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting vocabulary challenge for you. So get ready to test and expand your English vocabulary with us. Let's check your vocabulary. Number 1. What do you call a person who doesn't believe in God? Do you know? You can pause the video to guess the answer. A theist. A theist. What do you call a person who loves himself? Narcissist. Narcissist. Next, do you know what do we call a person who is controlled by his wife? Handpicked. Handpicked or dominated. A person who is always late. A person who is always late. Slowpoke. Slowpoke. What do you call a person who is always talking? Chatty or loquacious. Loquacious. A person who is always complaining. A person who is always complaining. Complainer or malcontent. Malcontent. What do you call a person who is always laughing? What do you call a person who is always laughing? Funny man or joker. Guys, you can pause the video to guess answers. Next, a person who is always crying. Always crying. Do you know? Whippy or crybaby. Crybaby. A person who is always tired. Some people feel always exhausted. Lethargic or sluggish. Lethargic or sluggish. Next, a person who is always hungry. Voracious or ravenous. Ravenous or voracious. A person who is always angry. Do you know? Hot-headed. 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 Do you know what do we call a person who is always sleepy? Drowsy. Drowsy. What do you call a person who is always forgetful? Absent-minded or scatterbrained. Scatterbrained. A person who is always lost. Directionless or clueless. Directionless or clueless. A person who is always busy. Go-getter or workaholic. Workaholic. Do you know what do we call a person who is always sad? Like this. Gloomy. Gloomy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more content like this. You can also check our playlist to watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye for now.